Good evening, student. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with some new topics, some new theorems related to triangles. The next theorem is, as we are discussing the triangles here, I have already discussed upon the basic properties of similarities, criteria of the similarities. Also, I have derived the Thales theorem. Today I will derive here area theorem. It is also very important theorem of the triangle segment. So let's see how we will derive this area theorem and how you will derive this area theorem. It is very easy. Students, see the statement of the area theorem. Why I am discussing the statement, because the statement is much more important than the derivation. For prediction of whether it is for prediction in the examination, whether it is area theorem, whether it is Thales theorem, whether it is Pythagoras theorem, whether it is converse of Pythagoras theorem. So I will suggest here, remember the statement also. It is very important to judge what theorem has given, so that you can easily derive the things. So a statement of the area theorem is that statement of the theorem is statement ratio of prove that the ratio of area of two similar triangle, the ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding side, square of their corresponding side. This is the statement of the area theorem. If this will come in the examination, you can easily judge this is the area theorem. Okay, this theorem is the area theorem and it is the statement of the area theorem. So read it carefully and remember this statement so that you can easily predict what is this. So here, as we know, the proof process, derivation process is start. First of all, we will make two similar triangle and we will do the some construction. As you know that the theorem has a certain performer and everyone has to follow the same performer to get a good marks in the theorem. So here the performer is, first you need to write given. What is given? Given is that A, B, C and PQR are two similar triangle. This is the given. Are two similar triangle. Now we need to write to prove what is has to be proved. We have to prove area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB divided by PQ whole square, BC divided by QR whole square and is equal to AC divided by PR whole square. This we have to prove. So how I have written this one, AB divided by PQ whole square BC by, we have see this one. We have to just pair this one. First we will write AB, the pair of AB is PQ. Then we will leave A and the pair will be BC, then the pair of BC will pair with QR. Now we will leave B, now it will be AC, the pair of AC with PR. So how it is very simple, just write it down like that, make a pair. I have drawn the construction here, so write it down. Draw PAM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. This is the, now first of all I will do the in the proof thing. First of all I will similar the smallest triangle, either of them, either this one to this one or this one to this one. We have to just similar this one. So I will just similar this one in triangle AMB, naming is this one, and now triangle PNQ, because the corresponding of A is P and the M corresponding of M is N and corresponding of B is Q. That's why the naming is something like that. Now see this one. First angle is AMB. Angle AMB is equal to angle PNQ, that is equal to 90 degree. Now the second angle is angle ABM is equal to angle PQN, because triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and corresponding angle of similar triangle are equal. So from AA criteria, triangle AMB similar to triangle PNQ, the criteria is AA criteria. Now the by properties of the similarities, we will get AM divided by PN, AM divided by PN is equal to MB divided by NQ is equal to AB divided by PQ. Now it is given that since triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, it is given. So from here the properties of similarities is that sides are in proportion. So this will be AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR is equal to AC divided by PR. This equation is 2. So from first equation and second equation, see this one, all the two are equal to AB by PQ. Here these two are equal to AB by PQ. From equation 1 and 2 we can say that all are equal to each other. Now students, see this one, from equation 1 and 2 we can write AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR. See this one, this is the proof. From equation 1 and 2 we can write AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AC by PR is equal to AM by PN. Now we will, after this we will find the area of triangle. Write area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. We can write half into base, that is BC, into height, that is AM, half into base, that is QR, height PN. Half will cancel out. We will make pair BC by QR into AM by PN. As we know that AM by PN is equal to BC by QR, so we will put here AM by PN into BC by QR. So this one will make it the BC by QR whole square. Similarly, we can write area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR as AB square by PQ square is equal to BC by QR square is equal to AC by PR square. So thanks for the watching my video, and in my next video I will discuss upon the Pythagoras theorem. Till that, have a good day. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.